Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, we're actually in nature, we're in God. And we're showing you some waterfalls just outside of Nairobi, in Kembo. So if you come in, you know what I mean, it's not too far from Nairobi. You can actually get a chance to touch nature and touch God. You know what I mean? So we have like 4 Jamaicans here, and they're actually on the tour with us. So let's go. Yeah. So Korean, remove the bees, Ibe? The bees that was there the last time.
They just left.
Oh, they just left. Okay.
They went with the honey.
They went with the honey.
Yeah. No people, they are going to another place, they don't leave the honey there.
Okay. Okay. Ah.
You carry the honey.
Let us call FedEx.
Okay. Yeah.
Then the river was bigger.
Yeah, family, so that's the waterfall. Yeah. A pump is there too. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, family. So Ricardo, what you have to say?
I'm stunned.
You're stunned.
Yeah, man. Yo,
Yeah, man. And this is not far from.
good.
Yeah.
So it's for the nice waterfall.
Yeah. And this is not far from Nairobi.
If I love Africa, because if I was in Jamaica, if this was in Jamaica,
Yeah.
the government UDC would try to take it.
Yeah, they'll try to take it and turn it into a.
They would develop this side
Yeah.
and turn it into a tourist attraction place, like when you do Belzura Falls.
Yeah.
They pay to actually
Pay
come
to
here.
to actually come in. Yeah.
You can make money from here now.
Yeah.
They themselves can, the locals themselves, the Kenyans can take this and make crazy US dollars or
Yeah.
Kenyan shillings
Yeah.
by cutting a road
Yeah.
and put up some piece of caves and the falls is there.
Yeah, just like John River Waterfall.
Waterfall.
You see a marker right there. So government is gonna take over a certain part, I think the whole river part.
Oh, they want to take it over?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Same thing I'm talking about.
If you look when we're coming over there, you see a blue marker. It's right there where the people fixing the pump. So from there, okay, they're gonna go across. And they're gonna take over back over this year, I think.
Oh, wow.
They want it so they can sell it, set it up like just like they do to Jamaica. They come, they take over the land, yeah. They take the
Yeah.
place. We have a lot of falls like this in Jamaica. And they take it. But people all over the world pay just to see the falls. And the people that's in the country, the locals, they can't get access to the falls.
It's just like some of your beaches, your best beaches.
beaches.
Yeah, they take over.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
So if the Kenyans come together,
I've been trying to find. You said jam.
whatever it is,
Yes, Jam Tours Africa. You followed me on YouTube?
this falls
No. IG.
billionaire.
I'm trying to
Follow
figure
me on YouTube, man. That's where everything goes on YouTube. Jam Tours Africa.
Just jam plus one word.
Yeah, Jam Tours Africa.
Not millions, billions of US dollars from the farm. So if you cut the road and you put up some huts
Yeah.
and create like a thing for the kids, maybe a park or whatever, and some shops like boutique, and you bring people here, whatever you want to do, cut the bushes, put up lights, attraction stuff, chairs, a bar, restaurant,
Yeah.
this place will be packed. You can charge you $5
Slide down the light. Slide down the gully. Yeah, family, so we're heading down the falls. And actually, you know what I mean? Let's do this. Snagger pussy shocking drive, tread him and do the 30. Yeah. Yeah, Ja. We're there in a nature. We're there in a God.
Yeah!
Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Come on. Yeah, family, this is the Jam Tours Africa experience. Jam Tours Africa. Come on, tour with us. Tour with us. Yeah. Come through, come through. Yeah. Naga Pussy Shocking. Jam Tours.
Jam Rock Kenya.
Yeah. Yeah, family, we're there. With the Jam Tours Africa family. We're there, we're there. The Jam Tours experience. Yo! Yo, boop! So slow and slide down the gully, stagger push the shocking drive straight. You might do it.
Yeah, by the goal side. If they want to know, what's the fight? What's the farmer? Wheel!
Jam Tours Africa family. Come through, come on now. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The Jam Tours family there.
And we need a few sea stone. We need some sea stone.
Yeah.
To just line it on the place.
Yeah, man, line on the place and make it nice,
So
man.
you-
Yeah.
When the sea stone is there now,
Yeah.
you just see no mud. And
Yeah.
the water is clear.
Clear, yeah, 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 yeah.
It's one mud.
Because of the mud, the water look dirty, but the water not really dirty.
It's not dirty.
It's not dirty, yeah.
Clean.
Yeah. It's clean.
Because the ground is
Ground,
mud.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And it's not like sinking mud, it's clear.
Yeah, clear, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's
yeah.
solid.
Solid, solid, yeah,
So
yeah,
the
yeah.
water is reflecting
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
bottom of the ground.
Bottom of the ground, but the water not dirty.
Yeah, but if you have Jamaica, the reason why the water is clear is because there's sun.
Your sun, yeah, yeah,
So the
yeah.
sun is clear,
Yeah.
water
Water
top
clear,
surface is clear.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So if we get some sea stone and we plaster sea stone around,
Yeah.
just paint the bed.
Paint the bed, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Water
yeah.
is clean and
Clean and glassy
nice.
and clear, yeah.
Very attractive.
Very attractive, yeah. Yeah. What's that, fish?
Where?
Mudfish.
Where? Where?
Janga.
Here? Oh, crab. Fish.
Yeah. Yeah, no fish. Yeah, 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 yeah. The water to come there.
Where phone there? Want that picture?
Want a picture?
Come on.